Thank you.
You're welcome.
I failed to find the sleeper. I'm sorry.
Hush. Hush now, my angel.
I very much doubt there's anyone down there. It's probably a booby-trapped legend. There's someone wriggling with pleasure in his coffin right now, thinking of people like your girl, walking into the Cyclops he left down there.
Or perhaps there is something down there, so important that it must be guarded by monsters.
Your Messiah isn't down there.
And what makes you so sure?
You speakers carry information down through the generations. We Belmonts pass things down as well. Do you remember what we saw down there? Metal veins pumping hot liquid. Torches that light by themselves that exactly fit descriptions written by my great-grandfather. Descriptions of the inside of Dracula's castle. I don't know what's down there, but it's not a Messiah. I'll leave you all to it.
No, nonsense. Please, stay with us. For as long as you like. I cannot begin to repay what I owe you.
You're leaving tonight, remember?
Well, yes. Until then.
Right. I'll come back later. See if you can find some beer.
I could pee in a bucket and tell him it's beer.
Saifa. He saved your life.
He's rude.
Careful. My knife hand's not too steady. I could slip and take your eye out. The Bishop of Greshit requests your kind attendance at the church.
I don't think I'm allowed into churches.
The Bishop says he'll make an exception in your case.
No, seriously. I realize you're trying to menacingly abduct me, but I'm excommunicated.
The Bishop said to tell you that the terms of even major excommunication mean that you are obliged to appear when summoned by the church.
Well, shit. Look, if I enter the church and catch fire or something, it's your fault.
I am the Bishop of Greshit.
You're not from round here.
No. I'm originally from Targovishta. I was an aide to the Archbishop. How did you divine that?
Well, you're not running away screaming like the rest of the locals, for one thing.
From you.
From the baby-eating freaks of nature who apparently raid Greshit every night.
I'm here to save Greshit.
And how do you intend to do that?
I brought you here to answer some questions, not ask them.
Well, tough shit. How exactly do you intend to help these people? By killing speakers?
The speakers brought these troubles upon themselves. One cannot live without God. Quite literally, in these days.
You think the Night Horde's game because people weren't religious enough? And you were at Targovishta?
The Archbishop had certain interests that I believe compromised his ability to protect the city and the country. I was sent away long before Dracula came to Targovishta. We disagreed on matters of clerical discipline.
But you were there for the burning of Dracula's wife. I heard all about that.
Oh, yes. I arranged it, in fact. The woman was a witch. And there can be no doubt now that she consorted with the devil. She even married him.
I see. And I'm here to be disciplined.
Not as such. I have a gift for you. Your life, Belmont. Take it and go. Tonight, the speakers will be dealt with, and then Greshit will be secure. I refuse, however, to toil so hard for the soul of the city with an excommunicant heretic within its walls. You could undo everything by